guys, it's Emily here. So I have an unboxing video. I actually got this a week ago, but I went on a trip, so I didn't get a chance to open it. So yeah, I also have other packages too, but that's like related, like Night Before Christmas and Disney related, so I decided to just save all that together but do an unboxing video of this. Even though it is Halloween related, but it's not Night Before Christmas related, because this is from the Snapchat show. They have a show you can find on your Snapchat. You just type it in. It's like Snapchat show. That's basically it. They have like, you know, t-shirts, like plushies, which is something I got. So I got a ghost plushie. They had a bigger one, and then they also have a smaller one. So yeah, and it was really actually cheap. Like, it was not that much. Like, I actually wanted to get both of them, because for both of them it was like $12. Like, it was really cheap, and I think this was like $6 or $7 for the smaller one. So I'm gonna open it up in front of you guys. So yeah, I had to put it down first because the address is like on the top of the box. But here, I can open this from here. But yeah, and I just thought it was really cute. I mean, I love Halloween. I just had to. And then Snapchat. I love Snapchat. So why not? You can follow me on Snapchat. Love Emily 143 CS. So let's open this up. So I see it. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. It has yellow wrapping paper, and of course, if you know, Snapchat's like color is yellow. So I just have the return address, and then this is what it is. They just threw in yellow wrapping paper. Here is the ghost, and then I also got these glasses. I'm not really too sure what this is. I'm kind of confused on this. It says city lights and fireworks exploding to a new bright point. Witness magic patterns. I'm not really too sure what this is. Okay. I see rainbows. Oh my goodness. This is kind of weird. Okay. So right now, oh my god, this is so weird. So right now, I have these two lights. Obviously, you guys can't see it because you don't have these on. But I have these two lights, and they are rainbow and have like a ghost. That is really cool. I don't really know how to explain it. Okay, so these actually really work. Now I know what they are used for. I didn't order these, but I guess you just get these when you order them. I don't know. But, yeah, so this is a little ghost. Let's open it up. I didn't have a receipt, so I forget how much they are, but like I said, I think it was like $7. And this is a big plush. I mean, they had, like I said, they had a bigger one than this. This is kind of like the smaller one for your hands. I think the other one was, probably like this big, probably. So it wasn't like that bigger compared to this one, but a little bit. So this is my ghost plush. It's just tiny and it's cute, and I just think it's really perfect. I mean, it has to do with Halloween too, so you know, I gotta order something. And then this is just like what it says, the Snapchat. So yeah, so it's not really much, but it's really cute. I definitely recommend it. It's not like that amazing, you know, as like you might think it is. But I mean, it's just like a cute plushie, and like I said, that you can get this for cheap. So I would definitely check that out on Snapchat. Plus, you can get these cool glasses that you freaking can see rainbow ghosts and lights and like light bulbs. I don't know, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's not really like an exciting video, but you know, I thought I would unbox this for you guys because you know I love unboxing different things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and say hi to my little ghost.